Your seats. Sankalp Amonkar.
अरे ना रे तू सीटाचे बसपा केला मुगेले ना रे बोसो लायला तेणे बोसो लायला स्पीकर सर माननीय मुख्यमंत्री माझे ऐक स्पीकर सर the attention of the house is drawn to the issue of grave and escalating civic and environmental crisis due to the pollution in the Kunkolim industrial estate and its surrounding areas of untreated water released by fish mill plants in open areas. The ETP of the fish mill units are not working again, resulting in untreated discharge at various places to health and contamination of source of water. There is fear and anxiety due to approvals to additional fish mill plant outside the industrial area. Further, heaps of hazardous waste dumped at different locations in the industrial estate and the vicinity poses risk to life, safety and security, more particularly during monsoons as the hazardous materials contaminate nearby streams and water bodies. It was assured in the House that the hazardous waste would be removed by September 2025, but no action is taken. There is also additional fear that one MS Shirdi Steel Re-Rollers Private Limited company is encroaching the land of Sociedad in Kunkolim for its extension despite civil suit is pending before the court in regard to this lease and default payment. This said company is carrying out work illegally. Speaker sir, ये माननीय मुख्यमंत्री हांव सांगपाक सोदता. His sister is married in Kunkolim. He knows all the problems. थोडेशे तुझ्या आमदार हे दिसांनी चोड उसोटाय हिंगा हे फिश मिल हाडपाक हांव तुका सांगपाक सोदता. I will be forced to name. These people are not allowed there because of one current fish mill is there. Illegally. तू केन्ना फॉर्मेलिनाच्या मोगान पडो? तू हे मरे अगेन्स्ट हाडलो. स्पीकर सर, येसल्यो इंडस्ट्रीज आमकां आमच्या कुंकोळी नाका. हे मुखेलमंत्री स्पश्ट दिलेले आसा. आणि आनी एक थिंगा इंडस्ट्री हाडपाचो प्रयत्न ह्या सरकारान आहले मनीस करता. I will be forced to expose it. चोड उसोणाकाय इतली दादागिरी हिंग चलपाना. स्पीकर सर, ही दादागिरी आता मुख्यमंत्री हांव आफ्टर द असेंब्ली सेशन I will get the people to you. कुंकोळ जोर जोर पेट्टोले न्हू गोंय पेट्टोले. हे तू खबर आहा क्रांतिकार लोक I will bring all of them once and for all. All these polluted projects we do not want. And you all are getting additional fish mill.
स्पीकर सर, नोटेड त्यांनी कितें सांगलां तें लक्षांत घेतला. हांव चॅक करता.
ना तू हांव असेंब्ली हाडले तें घेना तू रिजॉल्व कर. ते हॅझर्डस वेस्ट तशें आहा, सगळे तशें आहा.
स्पीकर सर,
हुकुमशाही घाल. दादागिरी परस हुकुमशाही घाल. हुकुमशाही.
sir, I wish to draw.
आज चोड जाल्या. तू यो एशी तू यो रोकडो यो मातशें. खाता दिसा सारकें करुया तें.
Speaker sir, I wish to draw to the attention of this house to the deep fear and anxiety that the IRB constables in Goa face due to prolonged career stagnation. Following the creation of common cadre by emerging the 1st, 2nd and the 3rd IRB battalions, many constables now face prospects of retiring in the same rank, which is highly demoralizing. Sir, these IRB constables are already working in the core Goa police units, police stations.